Hello friends, welcome to Queen Chef. Today we are going to see how to make masala rava idli, one of the breakfast recipes that taste really good, especially liked by children much. Similar to this, many breakfast recipes are posted in this channel. If you like it, do watch through the channel. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I am adding half cup of semolina. Also add salt to taste. Then add half cup of curd and give it a mix well. You should add curd according to the quantity of semolina I have taken. That means you should add both as equal quantities. Allow it to marinate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I will add quarter cup of water and mix it. Again I am adding quarter cup of water. It's normal water. Allow it to rest for 15 minutes. We'll see afterwards. 15 minutes have passed. Now we will add 1 pinch of cooking soda and mix it. Batter should be this consistency, like idli batter. In a idli mold I have placed damp cotton cloth on top. To this we have to pour batter similar to idli making process. Pour batter on medium size, not too big because it needs much of time to cook. In a idli vessel I added some water. When the water starts to boil, we need to place it inside the idli vessel. I have placed it, then close the lid and allow it to cook. Cook at medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to open it. To check out, we have to insert a toothpick or spoon into the idli. It should come out clear. Drizzle some water on top so that it will be easy to take out. Once it's cooled down, take out from cloth. Takes out only after it's cooled down so that it will come perfect. Perfect rava idli is ready. Totally we got 6 idlis. Now we are going to cut it into small pieces. Do this process for rest of the idlis. Already I have soaked 4 red chilies in hot water about 10 minutes. In a mixer jar we can add 6 to 8 pieces of garlic, few ginger. To this add soaked red chilies with little amount of water and blend well as fine paste. Blended it. Also add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and blend it. Blended well, it should be like this. Next heat 2 tablespoons of oil. When it becomes hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of finely chopped onion and saute it about 2 minutes. No need to get onion as golden. When onion get fried slightly, I am going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste and saute it till the tomato get mashes. Now tomatoes are mashed well, it should be like this. So add the blended paste and give it a mix well. Now I am adding 1 pinch of food color, it is optional. I will add little amount of water to avoid dryness. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. At this stage we are going to add 1 big size cooked potato cubes and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Add rava idli at this time and mix it gently. Once you added rava idli, no need to saute it too long because it's already cooked. So saute it for few minutes is more sufficient. Add few drops of oil if you want. Drizzle a few fresh coriander leaves, it gives nice flavor. Mix it once and turn off the flame. That's it, our delicious rava idli is ready to serve now. Do try it once at your home, enjoy and share your comments. If you like this video, do share and subscribe the Queen Chef and also click a bell icon for more interesting updates. Thank you.